I'm a million. Only few people know about this, bro. Like everybody want to lead cars fast. W16 engine, V12 engine, V10. Y'all gotta chill, man. It's a good thing you click this video, cuz I'm finna show y'all how to make y'all cars sound like a real Dodge Challenger Hellcat SRT. But before we start this video, gang, make sure to hit a sub and turn on that bell, cause everybody turn on their bells already and you're left out. Alright, so I'm down by my Hellcat. Let me spec the Dodge Challenger to my profession real quick. Yeah, your boy is down speccing this Dodge Challenger. Now let's go to the real part. Hit a reset as many times as you can. You can hit it 5 times, 2 times, but just make sure your engine is reset. And now buy yourself a twin turbo or a triple turbo. But I probably prefer the twin turbo. And get yourself a new exhaust, tune in. Don't you buy no brake. The brake is not important. Fast gearbox, intercooler, and the exhaust shock. No exhaust burble. You don't need that. You don't need no exhaust burble. Don't you buy no exhaust burble. Boom, now you're done, boys. You're done. This part ain't really important. I just like to change my suspension like this. Whoa, do you hear that? Do y'all hear that? That's some money, bro. Sheesh, that dumb shit, bro. Let me go slide down real quick. slide in the cat, slide Charlie, slide in. Bro, you hear that? You hear that whining? This is the best tuning, bro. So please, don't you go use no W16 engines, V12s or V10. Just keep your car stock, bro. Alright, if you made it to the end of the video, make sure to like, make sure to sub, and as always, keep it peace.